हेलो गाइस एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल। सो गाइस, आज की वीडियो की शुरुआत हम लोग लिटरल्स के साथ करने वाले हैं। जैसा कि मैंने आपको प्रीवियस वीडियो में लिटरल्स के बारे में बताया था, बट हमने वहाँ पे एक्सप्लोर नहीं किया था। आज की वीडियो में हम लोग लिटरल्स को एक्सप्लोर करने वाले हैं। व्हाट इज लिटरल्स? लिटरल्स आर द कांस्टेंट वैल्यूज that are directly used in our code. So what does it mean? Littles are the constant values that are directly used in our code. So if we write int age is equal to 20, so here 20 is a littles. Why 20 is a littles? Because it's a fixed values that are directly assigned to a variable age without any further computation. But if we write int age is equal to 20 plus 5, so here 20 plus 5 is not a littles. Why 20 plus 5 is not a littles? Because it involves computation, that is addition over here to determine the value assigned to a variable age. So here 20 and 5 are literals individually. यहाँ पे 20 और 5 इंडिविजुअली तो लिटरल्स है, बट 20 प्लस 5 इज नॉट अ लिटरल बिकॉज इट्स अ रिजल्ट ऑफ अ कंपटीशन। अब हम लोग टाइप्स ऑफ लिटरल्स देखने वाले हैं। टाइप्स ऑफ लिटरल्स, स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट वन, integer integer litters. If we write int age is equal to 20, so it's integer litters. Second is a string litters. If we write a string name is equal to Mohan, so it's a string litters. Third one is character literals. If we write char later is a, so it's a character literals. Four is a float literals. If we write double pi is equal to 3.145667, so it's a float literals. In case of float literals, I have mentioned the data type double. Why? Because as I mentioned in the earlier videos, that the literals have their default values. So the float literals default value is double. That's why I mentioned there. What will happen if we use prefixes in integer literals? So if there is no prefixes, then it will be treated as decimal. If there is prefixes 0, then it will be treated as octal. If there is prefixes 0, x or 0, x, uppercase and lowercase both are allowed here, then it will be treated as hexadecimal. Hexadecimal. If there is prefixes 0b or 0 capital B, lowercase and uppercase both are allowed also here, then it will be treated as binary. चलिए प्रोग्राम कर देखते हैं. Has include iostream using namespace std int main. So if int age is equal to 20, so if there is no prefixes over here, as you can see only 20 is there, so it will be treated as decimal. So ये already decimal में, so no need to compute anything. So if int marks is equal to 035, so in case of if there is prefixes 0, so we have to convert this in octal. So let's convert. So it will be 3 into 8 to the power 8 to the power 1 plus 5 into 8 to the power 0. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? 29. So if int score is equal to 0x and there is 9a, so if there is prefixes 0x, it will be computed as hexadecimal. So let's convert. It's 9 into 16 raised to the power 1 plus 10 into 16 raised to the power 0. Why 10 here? Because consist hexadecimal consists 0 to 0 to 9 and a to f. So after 9, a will be treated as 10, so 10 for a. So ये क्या हो जाएगा? 154. So now print of this, it will be int age backslash n marks backslash n, then score backslash n, then there is one more, int number is equal to 0 b, let us suppose 1 1. So in case of 0 b prefixes, you have to convert this into binary number. So it will be 1 into 2 raised to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to the power 0. So ये क्या हो जाएगा? 1. It will be 3. So number, so now return 0. So now let's run the program. Yeah, so as you can see, we are getting our desired output as expected. Yeah, 20 here, 29, 154 and 3. Type conversion in C++. So there is mainly two types of type conversion. First one is implicit and the second one is explicit type conversion. So type conversion. So first one is implicit type conversion. So क्या होता है? Most of the primitive data types are allowed to convert to each other, but Sum of the expression cause loss of information in implicit conversion. Yeah, most of the primitive data types like int, float, char, double are allowed to convert to each other, but some of the expression may cause loss of information in implicit conversion. The float weight is equal to 80.7, and if we write int age is equal to weight, so here we will get 80. So after decimal this 7 will be truncated, so there is a loss of information in case of implicit conversion. And there is one more thing in implicit conversion, like let's see. So in case there's expression of a multiple types, we have to follow this priority order. It's a lower type to higher type. So lower type will be converted to higher type if there is expression of a multiple types. So like see here int age is 20, char letter is a, and cout age plus letter. So age plus letter, so age is int and letter is char. So int is here and char is here. So char is lower type, so char will be converted to int. So the sky value of a is 65. Then what will happen? 65 plus 20, it will be 85. So यहाँ पे आपको समझ में आया, ये क्या है आपका, ये आपका है प्रायोरिटी ऑर्डर लोअर टाइप टू हायर टाइप. ये आपको कब फॉलो करना है? लोअर टाइप will be updated to higher type if there is expression of multiple types. जैसा कि यहाँ पे हमें मल्टीपल टाइप्स एक्सप्रेशन यहाँ पे दिखा, तो हमारा क्या होगा, यहाँ पे लोअर टाइप जो है वो हमारा कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, अपडेट हो जाएगा हायर टाइप में. सिमिलरली here is float weight is 80 and age plus weight. So age is int and weight is float. So int is here and float is here. So int is lower in order, so int will be converted to float. So 20 becomes 20.0 plus weight is 80.5. So it will become 100.5. So now let's run the program and see. So we are getting our desired output as 85 and 100.5. Explicit type conversion. So as you can see here, without explicit type conversion, so here comes the need of the explicit type conversion. As you can see, int age is 85, marks is equal to 2, float weight is equal to age divided by marks. So what you all are expecting, what we will get? You all are expecting 42.5, but we will get only 42. Why? Here is the need of the explicit type conversion. So here assignment operator and the division operator. So division operator will perform first. So if the both the operands are integer, then output also will be the integer. That's why I am getting 42. So इसे कोड कर कर देखते हैं. So like has include IO stream using name space std int main. सो यदि यहाँ पे हम वेट को प्रिंट करवाते हैं, देखते हैं, सो yeah, we are getting our desired output same as 42. So here comes the importance of the explicit type conversion. If सो हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया, फ्लोट के साथ टाइप कास्ट कर दिया, तो यहाँ पे हम लोग कंपाइलर को इंस्ट्रक्ट कर रहे हैं जो कि वो एज को एज अ फ्लोट ट्रीट करे. सो यदि हम अब इस प्रोग्राम को रन करेंगे, सो वी विल गेट 42.5 because here also comes the parity order concept here because there is a multiple expression. So here float, here int, so int will be converted to float because int is in lower type. So we will get our desired output as 42.5 as you can see here. So guys, यदि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.